We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this disease. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous scientists and medications as well, medical conditions. This is a condition in which the body cannot break down glycogen. It's named after a German scientist. So how do you go about pronouncing this name? In German, being a German name, it's said Von Gierke, Von Gierke. Now in English, most commonly said as Von Gierke, Von Gierke, or Von Gierke, Von Gierke, Von Gierke, Von Gierke. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.